Welcome to my channel. Today we use 10 minutes to crochet the cute rabbit. You can use it to make a brooch or decorate your bag. You can use any kind of yarn you have. Make a ring first. Chain 2, we will don't take it as one stitch. Next make a clean half double crochet in the ring. Pull the tail to close the first round. Final, slip into the first stitch. Next 3 stitches, slip one by one. Next short crochet. Next half double crochet. Next 5 stitches, slip one by one. Now we crochet the ears, chain 6 first. Back, make short crochet. Next half double crochet. Next double crochet. Next double crochet. Last half double crochet. Slip into next stitch, that is the first ear. Chain 6, make the second ear in the same way. Slip into next stitch. Next 3 stitches, slip 1 by 1. Chain 1 and short crochet into the same stitch of the last slip stitch. Next short crochet. Next 2 short crochet into 1 stitch. Chain 2 and turn. 3 half double crochet into the first stitch. To half double crochet into next stitch. Next 1 half double crochet. To half double crochet into the last stitch. Chain 3 and turn. Into the bottom of 3 chain, we make 2 double crochet. Next into the first stitch, make 2 double crochet. Next 4 stitches, double crochet 1 by 1. Then chain 2 and turn. Seven half double crochet 1 by 1. Next, the last stitch, to half double crochet. Chain 2 and turn. Into the first stitch, 1 unfinished half double crochet, same into the second stitch. Then pull the yarn through the 5 loops together. We call that decreasing 1 stitch. Next 5 half double crochet 1 by 1. The last 2 stitches are same with the first 2 stitches, decrease 1 stitch. Chain 2 and turn. Decrease 1 stitch. Next 3 half double crochet 1 by 1. Last 2 stitches, decrease as the first 2. Chain and 1 short crochet. Please watch carefully where the short crochet into. Chain 3 and ready to crochet the tail. Into the same space make 4 unfinished double crochet. Last, pull the yarn through the 5 loops together. Chain 4 and slip into the bottom. Cut the yarn and hide the tail. Take 1 short piece black yarn, make a knot. Make another knot at the other side. Please be sure the 2 knots are bigger than the hole. So the rabbit has 2 eyes now. Thanks for your company. See you soon.